Hey everybody, welcome to Trophy Valley Farm, and today I'm taking you on a new adventure, showing you our ostrich family today, and thank you for joining me. We started our ostrich journey a few years back, and it was like everything else in life, it was a learning curve. We bought 10 ostrich babies. We were hoping for 3 males and 7 females, and we ended up with 5 males and 5 females. Very difficult to sex ostrich chicks. But 5 out of 5, and today, 4 years later, we've got 2 males and 3 females left. The females laid eggs last year for the first time, and normally the males are only fertile at 4 years old. But I sold eggs out of my females last year, and the people that bought the eggs from us actually managed to hatch the chicks from the eggs from our females. So the males were fertile at 3.5. So that was great news. So this year we will be focusing on 2 breeding groups of ostriches, getting their pens ready, and then see how many chicks we can get out of our female, or out of our 2 groups. This little lady here enjoying her maize. So just a bit of a story about our ostriches. They used to be around the house. The first two and a bit years they were just around the house, and so one day my wife and the dogs went for a walk, and one of the male ostriches ran her over, and he started to trample her. He actually kicked her out of her shoes, and when she was on the ground, luckily she stayed down, and he trampled her while she was down on the deck. And the Rottweiler came and rescued my wife, chased the ostrich away. So my wife was pretty much a bit unhappy, the least to say, and she said to me, this particular ostrich male needs to be gone ASAP. And I did say to her, man, you know, it's like I will show you how much I love you. I'll let the male kick me as well. So then we're all back to square one. So and I actually see that as a joke. So I walked up to the fence where the male was, and he went down in front of me with his pose. It's like a warning that he's got. So he just flapped his wings, and he's got this pose he's doing, and he got up, and I was standing next to the fence where he was like just posing, and he stand up and he kicked me right through the fence. So me and my wife got kicked by the same male the same day, just because, you know, I had to show her how much I love her and take the punishment as well. So this is the male. So here is the culprit in any case. You see the flap of the wings? It's the flap of the wings is a sign to stay away, or be careful. And this particular ostrich male, he actually I saw him chase a buffalo, and he actually kicked the buffalo as well. So ostrich kick forward. So just for people out there that don't know, ostrich kick forward. And the other thing as well is that the ostriches are still dinosaurs. They still have the hooks left in their wings. I can show you with this little lady here. Hopefully she will let me show you. Just hang in there, people. Yeah, here we go. You see there? That's the nail. Oh, sorry. That's still the nail left in the wing. Okay, sorry, she just picked the phone out of my hand. So there is the hook there. And there's actually two of these nails. And there's one on the wing here on the end as well. Come on, come on. So I'm just looking for the second one, because they've got two. Here's the second one. Hopefully you can see that. So there's the nail there on the wing. Okay, alright. So that's her. So the difference as well, the difference between a female ostrich and a male ostrich. As you can see, the females are grey. And come here, boy. And the males are black. So oh, he's flapping his wings. So like I said, I'm going to go closer to the fence just to show you guys. That's the male, and you see flap his wings. That's just a warning sign. There's another male at the background there. So the males are separate. Hello. So the females, so this particular female, when she actually, she's been around our house for the last 2 years. She doesn't go back to the mob when they're in the paddocks, because she gets pushed out, and the males chase her until she can't run anymore, and then she just collapse of tiredness, because she's tired and stuff. So I took her out of the paddocks, and she's living around the house with the dogs and the buffalo and the deer. And when she wants to lay an egg, she actually come and tells me about it. There's this ways that I know she's going to lay an egg, and then she's laid some eggs right where we have a barbecue. She'll sit down with us where we're sitting. She'll just go down, sit down, and lay an egg where we're barbecuing. So one's busy grooming herself. So that's just, they're very relaxed and comfortable if they do that in front of you. That deer post, that post behind there will be gone next week, as we're putting up some new deer fencing, and I will do a video on fencing as well. The next part of the video is I'll show you a video of the sound that the male ostriches are making. So you will hear that right through the night, through the day. My wife always says it sounds like aliens. So
within the first 12 months, they full length, they full basically grown. Yeah, not set out yet, but fully grown. Yeah.
oh, they're beautiful, hey? And the other part is ostriches running. So I will show you how fast the ostrich really are. It's insane if you just think about it. They are extremely fast. Alright, let's do it. Come on, come on. I'm going to show everybody how big and tall this ostrich male are really. So this is my height. Hello. Come on. So I'm standing on the quad. Come on. Hello. And the other thing I do is with my, especially my females in the winter, I don't really care about the males in the winter, they're tough birds. But my females in the winter, I do lock them up at night into the deer shed, just to get away from the wind and the rain, and you know, the ladies needs a bit of special treatment. So yeah, I lock them up at night in the deer shed. Sometimes it's a bit of a mission to get them in there, because ostriches are dumb. They're really dumb animals. But with a bit of food and stuff, they listen if I shake the bucket for food for them. And then I'll also show you me letting them out in the mornings to start their feeding. Like any other animal, they just feed the whole day. So they eat grass and maize that I feed them. So thank you for watching my videos. There's a lot more to come, God willing. And please like and subscribe, and share my video to friends and family. And I hope I can get people to understand farming a bit more in New Zealand, living off the grid. You know what it takes to get started. It's not easy. If anybody tells you it's easy, it's absolutely not. But the one thing is that's very satisfying is to see your progress. It takes time, but eventually, you know, if with progress, everything is worth your efforts. And just keep on living the dream. And I always say to my children, the most valuable thing in life is your time. You cannot buy your time back. You can always make more money at a next job, you know, whatever it takes, but your time that you spend with your family and friends, you can never buy back. All the time that you work that extra hours, you know, to get somewhere, is it really worth the money and the effort? You cannot buy your time back that you lose with your family. So God bless, and see you on the next video.